Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
ma'am.
Yes, children. So shall we start with our class today? All of you are ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So in the previous class, we were discussing about some important situations where this subject originated, isn't it? Geometry was developed for solving some purposes. Can anybody say that history, like what was the necessity of finding out such a subject or developing such a subject? Yes, Anushree can tell. What was the necessity of developing such a subject called geometry, children? I just explained a small story or some incident which,
Ma'am,
yeah. What was
Geo
the,
means
that is okay. That is okay. That is from the Greek word, it originated. Okay, that is okay. I told something related to why we developed this subject. What was the necessity?
lands,
Very good.
marking,
Who is that?
measuring the earth.
Who is it? Who is it?
Measuring the earth.
Pranav.
Pranav Prasad. Okay, very good. Very good. So you remember what was taught previous days, isn't it? For measuring the land, isn't it? For measuring the land, I told you, you don't remember because of flood. People, olden days, people
Yes,
used
ma'am. When they mark, it will
pivot or
go.
cultivation, isn't it? And
Yes, ma'am.
when their this farmlands go erased, the markings on the farmlands will be vanished because of flood, and they have to mark again and again the land. So they have to develop some rules and formulas to mark the land, and from that necessity, this subject called measuring earth, that is geometry, originated. Okay, and there are some concepts which you have to study. Before that, we'll just pass on to what we studied on the previous day. I have been discussing this, I think. Wait 1 minute. I'll take the next slide.
You should write this, ma'am.
No. I'll tell. Because just let me erase it. Then I'll take the next slide. Okay. So that we have a continuity. Otherwise, you will not have a continuity with. So we just show what is meant by geometry and what we were discussing yesterday. Just a
You should
view.
write this.
No. I'll give you. Okay, I'm giving the notes. I'm sending the notes. Yesterday, I have sent the notes of estimation. Children, all of
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
noticed?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
geometry? We studied yesterday, isn't it? Geometry is a is a branch of mathematics
Yes,
that
ma'am.
that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things, isn't it? Flat shapes like squares, circles, and triangles are part of flat geometry and are called 2D shapes. We studied what are 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes. It has length
Yes,
and breadth,
ma'am.
isn't it? These shapes have only two
Flats.
dimensions, the length and width or breadth, isn't it? So these we studied yesterday, and examples of 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes are circle, triangle, square, rectangle, quadrilateral, parallelogram, everything can take which can be drawn on a plane. Okay, all the figures
Plane.
can
Okay,
be drawn
ma'am.
on a plane comes under flat geometry, 2D shapes. Then there are another type coming under the geometry, study of geometry, that are 3D shapes, isn't it? 3D shapes. 3D shapes, solid
Yes.
objects are also known as 3D objects, having the third dimension of height or depth. I told you, isn't it? Three dimension means it has all the three dimensions. That's why 3D. D represents the dimension. What are the three dimensions? Length, breadth, and height. Okay. So that
Height.
3D shapes possesses all these three dimensions, that is length, breadth, and height. Okay, children. So what are
Okay.
those examples? You can see cube, cuboid, sphere, cone.
cuboid, sphere,
Sphere cone. Cylinder.
Cylinder, yes. So many things you have studied in the lower classes, isn't it? Huh?
Yes,
So all
ma'am.
these 3D shapes come under the geometry. study of the flat shapes as well as the 3D shapes come under the study of geometry.
Geometry.
Under the subject called geometry. These things remaining I'll explain later. Now we'll pass on to our subject, our topic today, that is lines. First before lines, first we are going to discuss some concepts related to basic concepts related to geometry. What is the chapter name, children? Chapter 4, basic idea.
Basic geometry idea.
What is the chapter name? What is the, once again, what is the chapter name?
Basic geometrical idea.
Yes, basic geometrical ideas. This chapter 4, yeah. Chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas. Let me change the color of the board first. Then only I'll start. I don't like this white color background. Okay. So look at this. We are going to start with our new chapter. Chapter 4. It is.
Ma'am, we should note
4.
this, ma'am. Lecture.
Yes, lecture note you can write. Chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas. Basic geometrical ideas.
What, ma'am?
Yes, all of you wrote basic geometrical ideas. In this, we are going to study some concepts which are related to geometry, like point, line segment. It goes on like that. Okay, parallel lines, intersecting lines. I'll show you what we are going to study today. Okay, see this. No, this don't write this. I'll show you. Yeah.
Sometimes
Yes. I have to just reduce the size. I'll reduce the size. Zoom out, zoom in. Now, okay?
Now it's okay, ma'am. Ma'am, not.
Okay. Now, children, we are going to study all these topics today. Okay?
Write this, ma'am.
Yeah, you can write like this. You can write down. So just see. These are the topics. These are the topics which we are going to learn today. Coming under geometry. These are the basic concepts we explain today. First one is point. I explained that day itself what is a point. Point shows a location, isn't it? So in detail, we can study all these topics. Line segment. What is a plane? Ray, intersecting lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. You have some problems related to these concepts also. So let us pass on to study each one separately. Okay?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Can you wait? Ma'am, wait.
Not finished, ma'am.
Just roughly you write. Take down roughly. I don't want you to take notes. I will send anyway. Write fast.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, last 2, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, last.
write fast.
Last.
Just take down fast.
I'm not finished.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. So you should remember all these definitions in your mind. Okay. Not this one. This is just the topics I have explained. Now you just see this. A point. Okay. We have studied what is a point. A point indicates a position in space. Okay. A point indicates. Yes. Don't take too much time to write. Otherwise, no. After this, I will show you. Okay. While I am revising this, I'll show this. You can take down. or those who can take down fast only. Otherwise, it will take time. Okay. You should listen to my words. That's enough. Clear, children? When I do the revision, you can
Yes,
take down
ma'am.
these points. Otherwise, you will not listen. So listen to what I am teaching. A point, what is a point? You know what is a point. See, examples are given. P is a point. R is a point. S is a point, isn't it? I am circling the
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
Okay. So look at this. A point indicates what? A position in space. Okay. It indicates, who is speaking? Who is speaking? Please switch off the speakers. If you want to speak at home, please switch off the speakers. Edwin Sagi, switch off your speakers. What is going on? Something which is going on at home is heard here. It's not allowed. Switch off your speakers. If you want to speak at home, switch off your speakers. All of you mute. If you want to speak to me something, you can unmute and speak to me. So we come back to our point, our topic, that is a point. A point indicates a position in space. Okay. It has no length, isn't it? There is no length. Consider the point P. Has it got any length, children?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Breadth?
ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Thickness? Nothing. Just a point, isn't it? Point. But it shows a position, right? In space. It shows a position somewhere. This, suppose we say, where is that thing? This is the point where that thing lies. So it shows the location where something is, isn't it? But it has no length, no breadth, and no thickness. Now, next point. Next is a plane. We can see what is a plane. I'll teach you one by one. First, we have to see in order what is a plane. Okay. What is a plane? Yesterday, I have given you what is a plane. Yesterday, I have taught you
Plane
what
is the starting and ending of a line.
No. Plane is a flat surface. I told you the example is board.
Flat surface.
Yes, ma'am.
Our board
A
is an
flat
example
surface.
Our board is an example of a portion of a plane. Okay, of a portion of a plane. Plane is something which is, a plane is a flat surface. It extends infinitely. Infinitely means what? Without any limit. Infinitely means without any limit. Can you see the slide properly, children? I should
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. It's okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Extends infinitely in all directions. Okay, that means what? Without any limit. It has no boundaries. It doesn't have any boundary. I told you this board, plane board. Board is an example of a portion of a plane. If you just think of this board, it is going up and to the left and right and down endlessly. What will be the thing? Just think that. Okay.
Plane.
Plane. That is called a plane. That is called a plane. Okay. The point, line, line segment, everything lies inside the plane. Quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral, parallelogram, everything, circle, all are lying inside this plane. We can take some points on the plane and join to form all these flat figures, 2D figures. All 2D figures are upon a plane. Okay, plane surface, plane, floor, example of plane, floor. Okay, floor means now our floor have some boundaries. Without boundary, you imagine the floor, how it will be? Plane, not ground.
Just
Ground
not
have,
limit.
ground have up and downs. Our classroom, you can see tiled classroom. Plane means no barrier and no boundaries. It extends endlessly in all the directions. You can see arrow mark put here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can extend it. That is the meaning of that. You can extend it to all the 4 directions. So just to see children, we can explain, we can see what is a plane once more. Okay, what is a plane? Plane is a flat surface. It's a flat surface. Okay, okay, take care. It is a flat surface without ups and downs. It's a flat surface. It extends infinitely in all directions. It has no boundaries. Okay, that is the definition for a plane. It is a flat surface which is extending infinitely in all directions, and it has no boundaries. Now next
Ma'am,
one.
we should write it.
No, I'll show the point I have explained. Now next we can see what is a ray. Ray.
Ray
Ah.
start. It will start, but it
Ray
will not
contains
end.
infinite number of points. A ray contains infinite number of points. Look at this, children. A ray contains infinite number of points. A ray have one end point. A ray have one end point. See this point, one end point. It starts from one end point. The other end of the ray is extended indefinitely. Means what? Without any limits. Okay. Can you give an example of a ray? Can you give an example? Huh? Can you give an example of a ray?
Ma'am, scale, pen.
Oh, the ray. No, not that. You cannot say that. Children, I'll show an example from your surroundings. Can you just say what is a ray? One example from the ray. For the ray. Example. Yes.
Ma'am, room.
Room. No, ray. I'm asking. Just see this figure, children. You can see. All of you can see this picture. Sun rays, isn't it? You can see sun ray. Sun rays, you see, it's starting from one point, isn't it? On the sun, one point, and it is extending. Where it is extending, children, can you say any point where it is stopping? It goes
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It goes on.
everywhere it extends, isn't it? But there is a starting point. Where is it? It's from the sun, right?
Yes,
So
yes, ma'am.
that is an example of a ray, isn't it? A ray have one starting point but no end point. It extends endlessly. That is known as a ray. Sun rays, you can see some rays are falling on earth. Okay, it falls here, but it is not stopping there. It goes inside. And this one also, we don't know where it goes. There is endless. It goes endlessly. So that is all an example of a ray. Clear, children?
Ray.
Ray. So let us
Yes, ma'am.
come back to the definition. Yes.
Ma'am, cloak is a ray.
Clock is clock's hand. Clock's hand can be considered as a ray because it is pointing towards the towards one side, isn't it? One number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
listen to
can you go back to the
the definition? Yes, definition, isn't it? Okay. I'll go back to the definition. Just see this.
Ma'am, a ray is a part of a straight line.
Yes, we cannot say, no. It's not a part of straight line. It starts from a fixed point and it extends endlessly. Okay, that is it. It's not, we cannot, ray is not a part of a line. And it has some starting point. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we will come back to our definition. So plane I explained. Next is a ray we have to see. Okay. Yeah. So see what is a ray I told you?
Ma'am, ray starts from one point
Yes, it
and
starts from a fixed point.
points.
Yeah, it starts from a
A ray have one end point.
yes. A ray contains an infinite number of points because it is from here it starts, it goes on like this, and it extends infinitely towards one direction, isn't it? There is infinite number of points. A ray have one end point. Have one end point or starting point, you can say. You can say it is starting point. So it starts from one point and it goes endlessly. Then only one stopping point is there. That's why it is known as one end point. The other end of the ray is extended indefinitely. Indefinitely means without any end, without any definition or without any end. That is known as a ray. Okay, clear?
Limit.
Without limit, correct. Without limit. Clear, children? What is a ray?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is one more thing we can explain.
Line segment.
Then, no. I'll give you what is a line. Okay. What is a line?
Line.
What is a line, children? We discussed. I think you have studied lower classes. Now, what is a line?
A line has no end point. A
Line
line has no end point.
points.
End point. Isn't it? A
Line
line.
has no
line.
end point, ma'am.
A line contains an infinite number
number
of points. How many points? Infinite number of points.
Points.
Isn't it? And it extends to both sides without any limit. It endlessly. A line contains infinite number of points. By that, the meaning is clear. Okay, infinite number of points, and it extends in both directions. In both directions, endlessly. Endlessly. Isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes, it extends. That's why this arrow mark is put. If the arrow mark is put, you have to understand that it is extending without any limit. That's why there an arrow mark is kept. Clear, children?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Now, if now let us revise. Now it's time. Let us revise what all things we have studied in this period. Okay, I'll just close it. So, okay, just to see what all things we have revised today.
Just like plane
Yeah. What is a point? A point has position and no dimension. And a line extends infinitely in both directions. Isn't it? Now, these two things we studied, and we studied what is a plane. So let me ask you some questions now. It's question time. Okay, children. Yeah, let me ask you some questions, whether you have understood it or not. Okay, stop share. Remind me to take attendance. Okay, 5 minutes to.
Okay, ma'am.
What's the time? 9:10, no? 9:10, it's stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Okay.
9:02, ma'am.
Yes. Ephraim? Hello, Ephraim, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes. Ephraim, what did we study today? What is the subject we studied today?
Ma'am, geometrical shape.
Geometrical ideas, isn't it? Geometrical ideas. We didn't
Yes,
come to
ma'am.
shapes. Shapes we are going to study. We have studied some basic ideas related to geometry. Can you say any one topic we studied today?
Ma'am, point.
Yes. Point. What is a point?
Ma'am, a point indicates a position in space. It has no breadth or thickness.
It has no breadth or thickness. Okay, Fia Maria, tell me any other point we studied. So he explained one point. Next one.
Line.
Yes. What is a line?
A line has no end point. It extends in all directions.
Endlessly. Good. Okay, Vaiga, can you tell me any other point which we studied today?
Ray.
Good. Ray. What is a ray?
Ray has a starting point, but it never ends.
It has a starting point, but it will not end endlessly in one direction. One direction, isn't it? Ray starts from a point and extends endlessly in one direction. Okay. Felix, Nijo. Felix,
Yes.
can you hear me? What was the next point we studied? One point is not explained. What is plane? Yes, very good, very good. Plane, isn't it? What is a plane?
A plane is a flat surface. It
Hmm.
extends infinitely in all directions. It has
Okay.
no boundaries.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay, so all of you have listened well, and I think you have understood all these topics very clearly, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Remaining,
ma'am.
so remaining, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining part of this we'll do in the next period. Okay. Thank you all. Let me take
Okay,
your
ma'am.
attendance. Let me
Ma'am,
take your
Okay, ma'am.
yes, yes, attendance waiting.
See, that's the whole.